Welcome to my channel. My topic is homeostasis. Homeostasis may be defined as the maintenance of the internal condition of body at equilibrium despite change in external environment. For example, the core temperature of human body remains at about 37 degrees centigrade despite fluctuations in the surrounding air temperature. Similarly, the blood glucose level remains about 1 gram per liter despite eating a meal rich in carbohydrates. Body cells need the internal environment in which conditions do not change much. Stable internal conditions are important for the efficient functioning of the enzymes. The following are some process of homeostasis important for the efficient human of enzymes. The following are some process of homeostasis. Osmoregulation. It is the maintenance of the amount of water and salts in body fluids, blood and tissue fluids. We know that the relative amounts of water and salts in our body fluids and inside cells controlled by the process of diffusion and osmosis, which are essential for the functioning of cells. Recall the concept of tonicity from grade. The maintenance of internal body temperature is called thermoregulation. The enzymes of body work best particular enzyme temperature, optimum temperature. Any change in body temperature may affect the functioning of enzymes. Excretion is also a process of homeostasis. In this process, the metabolic waste are eliminated from body, maintain the internal condition at equilibrium. Plants respond to environment change and keep their internal condition constant. Homeostasis. The applied different mechanism for the homeostasis of water and other chemicals, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogenous materials, etc. In daytime, the carbon dioxide produced during cellular respiration is utilized in photosynthesis and hence is not waste products. At night, it is surplus because there is no utilization of carbon dioxide. It is removed from the tissue cells by diffusion. In leaves and young stems, carbon dioxide escapes out through stomata. In young roots, carbon dioxide diffuses through the general root surface, escaping through root hairs. Oxygen is produced in mesophyll cells only during daytime as a byproduct of photosynthesis. After its utilization in cellular respiration, the leaf cells remove the extra amount of water through stomata. We know that plants obtain water from soils and it is also produced in a body during cellular respiration. Plants store large amount of water in their cells for trajectory. Extra water is removed from plant's body transpiration at night. At night, transpiration usually does not occur because most plants have stomata closed. If there is a high water content in soil, water enters the root and is accumulated in xylem vessels. Some plants, such grasses, force the water through special pores present of leaf epidermis through leaf epidermis stomata closed. There is high water content in soil. Water enter the root is accumulated in xylem vessels. Some plants gases for their water through special pores present at leaf tips or edges and from drops. The appearances of drops of water on the tips of edges of leaves is called guttation. Plants despite many metabolic waste in their bodies as harmless insoluble material. For example, calcium oxalate is despite in the form of crystals in the leaves and stem of many plants in tomato. In trees which shed their leaves early, the excretory products and removed from body during leaf falls. Other waste materials that are removed by some plants are resins by coniferous trees, germs by kikar, latex by rubber plants, and mucilage by carnivorous plants and ladyfingers. On the basis of the available amount of water and salt, plants are divided into the groups. Plants do not face the problems of water shortage. They have developed mechanism for the removal of extra water from their cell. Hydrophytes have broad leaves with a large number of stomata on their upper surface. The characteristics help them to remove the extra amount of water. The most common example of such plant is water lily.